Oink, oink. Did you know that pigs are some of the smartest animals in the whole world? They may look silly rolling in the mud, but pigs are actually very clean, clever, and full of personality. Pigs have amazing noses. They can sniff out food hidden underground. That's why farmers sometimes use pigs to find truffles, a special kind of mushroom that grows under the soil. And here's something fun. Pigs don't sweat like humans do. That's why they love to roll in the mud. It keeps them cool, protects their skin from the sun, and even works like sunscreen. Pigs are also great communicators. They make over 20 different sounds to talk to each other. They can grunt, squeal, and snort to say things like, "I'm happy," "I'm hungry," or "Hey, that's my snack." Did you know pigs can even play video games? Scientists found out that pigs can move joysticks and remember tasks. They're as smart as dogs and sometimes even smarter. Pigs love to explore, dig, and find new things to eat. They use their noses like tiny shovels, turning over the ground in search of tasty roots or bugs. And despite their reputation, pigs are actually very clean animals. If they have space, they'll make separate areas to eat, sleep, and play, just like us keeping our rooms tidy. When the day ends, pigs love to rest in cozy hay, sometimes cuddling together in groups, like one big family. They close their eyes, snuggle in, and dream of food, mud puddles, and sunny mornings. So next time you see a pig, remember, behind that muddy face is a kind, clever, and gentle heart. Pigs teach us that being curious, playful, and caring is the best way to enjoy every day.